In tomb number 6, Afifi has found a vessel.
We found one of the canopic jars. It's from fine limestone, and even the sculpture of the faces is so good.
During the mummification process, the organs of the deceased would be removed and placed in these containers. They are known as canopic jars.
Each burial have 4 canopic jars, 4 organs of the deceased.
Each jar is topped with a different symbolic sculpture. The heads represent the 4 sons of the god Horus. Each was responsible for protecting a particular organ. The jackal for the stomach, the human head for the liver, the baboon for the lungs, and the falcon for the intestines.
It's empty.
Afifi is looking for any inscription which could give us the name of the owner of this tomb.
Urjarik Sa means something related to Wazir.
The inscription is a prayer to the god Osiris, ruler of the underworld.
I see the base of the lid. It's complete. No cracks, nothing.
The jars have been hiding in the tomb for nearly 3,000 years. Before they can be taken out, Conservator Saham Abdelazim needs to carefully protect this ancient writing with a water-soluble cellulose binder. The jars don't reveal the name of the deceased, but Afifi believes there are more artifacts waiting to be found.